getting off I-44 onto Glintstone Avenue, one of the main thoroughfares through Springtown, Springburg, Springfield, Missouri. We're here on the north end, and looks like we can go after a stop. And we're gonna pass this guy that's got all kinds of leaves and crap coming out of his freaking bed. Alright, so this is the north part of Springfield. Fire and Ice restaurant right there, actually really good. That's new. Okay. We're just going to stay in this left-hand lane because we're going to go up here to a place called Mexican Villa. If you have a chance ever to visit Springfield, Missouri, you need to eat at Mexican Villa. No, don't go to Mexican Villa thinking that you're going to get real Mexican food. Springfield has a tendency to Springfieldize different kinds of food. They're known for their burrito enchilada style. And it's a burrito that's got ground beef, seasoned ground beef, and beans, refried beans, cheese, but they cover it with enchilada sauce and then melted cheese on top of that, and it's the bomb. It's very good. Fresh tortillas are made there, so they're good. Got a hot sauce that will make you slap your grandma, and guacamole is pretty good too for Springfield, Missouri. The other cuisine of the town that you got to hit to if you're visiting is you go out to Leong's. I don't know what it's called. It's Leong's. It's on the south side. Home of the original cashew chicken. The cashew chicken is comprised of breaded chunks of white meat. Very good. A brown sauce. I think it might be called an oyster sauce, but it's just kind of a brown, clearish, brownish gravy. And some green onions, some slivers of cashews, and a bed of white rice, fried white rice. I think I can say that very good. Yeah, it's a staple here. I mean, you know, it's synonymous with this town. It's been around for probably 40, 50 years, something like that. And there's an Asian chef. There is a cashew chicken place or an Oriental place that serves cashew chicken every corner. In fact, interesting fact, I'm kind of going to my Cliff Clavin mode here. Interesting fact, for the city this size, which is about, I don't know, a couple $100,000 worth of goobers, there's more restaurants in this town than you can shake a stick at. Doe's Eat Place. Those are peppered all over the South. Really big steaks, Jose Locos. Just a second ago we passed Pitbull Power Sports. Holy shnikes, everyone's in the left lane. Pitbull Power Sports, probably one of the premier spider dealers, Can-Am dealers in the nation. They're actually building a new spot on the southeast part of town. It's rather southwest part of town. This is Chestnut Expressway. This is kind of a big artery that cuts east and west through town. I-44 is the northeast-west kind of border that it goes Kearney. Used to cruise Kearney. Kearney was the big cruising back in the 80s when I was in high school. It goes Chestnut. Sunshine's on down this way. Sunshine is where the home of Bass Pro. Sunshine and Campbell's one of the home of Bass Pro. The home of Bass Pro. In fact, I remember when Bass Pro was just a catalog store and a liquor store where you can order lures and stuff, and old Johnny Morris took it to the next level. Car in front of us has a Arkansas Razorback emblem on the back, so they can't be all that bad. My family bleeds Razorback red, so all you haters are just gonna hate, because that's how I roll. Anyway, coming up here to La Comida, which is a Mexican villa. This is a smaller version, kind of like a smaller version. Kind of like nothing, kind of like a smaller version. And I'm going to turn in here. Hopefully my son can make it right. Anyway, we're going to get our grub on. Talk to you soon. And here is the Mexican Villa's burrito enchilada style.
What are you, 14?
I'm doing a vlog.
I'm vlogging, guys.
Yeah, you want to.
My mom is the only viewer.
All right. End the vlog. I talked about